Okay, so this is a lesson on the original Silent Hill. I think it's 1999. It's a theme song, which I love. My favorite game theme song of all time. I'm going to do this lesson in 3 parts. I'm going to start actually with the rhythm guitar part. I tried to post the whole thing on YouTube, you know, the 2 parts together, the guitar one, and then what is a mandolin part, but I did it on guitar, but I was blocked for copyright infringement. I did post it on Facebook under many of the Silent Hill Facebook groups. If you want to try to find it, it's there. But anyway, so it starts out with a picking part, which I'm going to get into in a later lesson, but I'll start there, and then what I'm going to talk about today is the rhythm guitar part. So it starts... Okay, so that's what we're going to be doing today. And it starts, the first 2 chords we're looking at, this is an E minor add 9. And all it is the 4th string, 2nd fret, and the 1st string, 2nd fret. And you're only going to play the first 4 strings. The way I do it is, so I pick that 4th string, that's an E note there, twice, and then I strum. And then it's switching to a B minor. The way I'm playing this B minor is an open D string, the 4th string open, and then the 3rd string, 4th fret, then open 2nd string. So you get 2 Bs there, that gives that a nice jangly sound. And then the 2nd fret, 1st string. And same strumming pattern, twice on that open D, and then strum. Okay, now I like to add a sweep on that E minor just to fill it out a little because there's no drums and everything. It doesn't happen in the actual original, but I think it sounds good. And what I'm talking about is this on the E minor. So that. And all I'm doing there is strumming from the 1st string down to the 6th string, and then I hit that 6th string twice. Just like you hit the E twice on the 4th string, instead you're doing it on that low E. Okay, and that's the first part of that. Oh, actually there is a little bit more. We go to that E minor. Now the second time I come to the B minor, I don't play an open B string. I play 3rd fret on the 2nd string. A little bit more traditional looking B minor, but still the open D string. The only reason I do that is the melody line there has that note in it, that D. You know, it goes... it has that D in it. Just take my word for it. And so I play it just to support that. So what I'm talking about is first time. Now this is the B minor with the open D string. With the not open B string, but the 3rd fret B string. Okay, and that happens again. Open B string. Now with the B string, 3rd fret, and now okay, it's a real nice change there. This is a C add 9, so it's 5th string, 3rd fret, 4th string, 2nd fret, you know, just like a C chord, except, excuse me, then the open G string, and then 2nd string, 3rd fret, and that's the add 9, that's a note D. Okay, so if the high E string rings out, that's fine, but you don't want the low E string to ring out. You don't want that. No. And now we're going to go to, and this is an F. It's an F sharp 11. F major 7 sharp 11. And it's not nearly as hard to play as the name is complicated. All it is if you know an F, take off the 1st and 2nd strings, they're open, and what you have left, that's the chord. So 4th string, 3rd fret, 2nd string, 2nd fret, open B string, open E string. Very pretty. So it's just those 2 chords. So from the C add 9. And now we're going to go to a B7. And on this B7, you may be familiar with B7 here at the 2nd fret, but I'm not. I have an open E string. I'm not playing the 2nd fret on the 1st string like you often do with a B. That note, I'm doing open E, open B string, 2nd fret, 3rd string, 1st fret, 4th string, and 2nd fret, 5th string. Do not play the last string. Do not play that open E. So, and that's just keeping that E, you know, the E and the B ringing through all those 3 chords. Well, actually, there's no open B on the C, but there is an open E. So, open E there, open B and E. Very cool. And all that is it's off of it's a piece of a D minor chord, but we're just going to have 2nd string 3rd fret and 3rd string 2nd fret, and then we're going to play open D string twice. So open D string twice, then the 3rd string, 2nd fret, and then the 2nd string, 3rd fret. Okay? Now the picking pattern remains the same, but we're going to, on that 3rd string, that's going to move up and down. So now on the 3rd string, we're going to go to the 3rd fret. 3rd fret, and still the 2nd string, 3rd fret. That stays the same. The only thing moving here is that 3rd string. 3rd string now up to the 4th fret. Keep the 2nd string 3rd fret in place, and you're also still playing that open D. So the whole thing. And now back down that's it. You know, so that D minor riff comes in. You're playing that B7, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it comes in on the end of 4 on the B7. Well, what I do is I just come in on the 1 and I don't hit the D string twice. I just hit it once. So instead of going, I'm just going to go, then I hit it twice. So you can do it either way. Either come in on the end of 4 on the B7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and, or go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. I just find it a little easier just to come in on the 1, and I don't think anyone would ever know the difference. It still sounds awesome. So that's what I do. Like that. Okay, and the end is that's going to be the whole tune. So that ending bit is a D minor, then F, and I'm only playing the first 4 strings here. D minor from the 4th string up, and then F just from the 4th string up. Now A minor 7 is what I like to play. So if you don't know that, it's an open 5th string, 2nd fret 4th string, open G string, and then 2nd string 1st fret, and open E string. A minor 7. And then to get back to the D minor, right before you go back there, you hit a C sharp on the 5th string, which is the 4th fret, 5th string, just that note, and then back to the D minor. That sounds D minor, F, A minor 7, and then hit that C sharp to get back to the D minor. Now the second time we're going to go D minor, F to C, and then hit that C sharp again at the 4th fret on the 5th string. The next time around, I like to play an F major 7 there. Instead of F, I play F major 7. All that means is instead of playing a regular F, you're going to open up the E string. So you have open E string, and then 1st fret, 2nd string, 3rd string, 2nd fret, and 4th string, 3rd fret. That's an F major 7. I just like the way it sounds. So this isn't exactly what's going on in the song, but believe me, it all works. If you hear did I tell you this already? I posted it on Facebook in the Silent Hill groups. I couldn't do it on YouTube because it was blocked. So if you want to hear the whole thing together, try to find it on Facebook under any Silent Hill group. Pretty much. So anyway, second time I do F major 7, A minor 7. Now this time, F again, C. Okay, and that just keeps going around and around until you want to end it. It just ends on a D minor quite abruptly. It's kind of like... And that's it. All right, so if I get one view on this, or one like, and somebody wants to see the rest of this lesson, like the beginning bit, all that stuff. I'll be glad to post it if I know somebody's going to watch it. So start with that, and we'll go from there.